Hello my dear students, welcome back to the video lesson. I'm Shweta Gupta, your maths teacher, and today I am going to take the revision of lesson number 15. The topic of the lesson is measurement. So let's get started. Children, we have already learned that the units of length, mass and capacity belong to a system of units called the metric system. In this system, each type of measurement has a main or basic unit. The meter is the basic unit for length, the gram is the basic unit for mass, and liter is the basic unit for capacity or volume of liquid. Now, from this chart, you can very well understood that units smaller than a basic unit are named by adding milli, centi, deci and so on before the basic unit, while the units larger than a basic unit are named by adding deca, hecto, kilo and so on before the basic unit. For example, if we take the basic unit of length, that is meter, then the units which are less than meter are decimeter, centimeter and millimeter, while the units which are larger than meter are decameter, hectometer and kilometer. And this goes for gram as well as liter also. So the short form for milli is M, centi is C, deci is D, deca is DA, hecto is H and kilo is K. Now children, let us revise how the units are related to each other. Now look at this figure. From this figure, we can easily remember the sequence of units and how the units are related to each other. Here children, each unit is 10 times the smaller unit before it and 1 by 10 of the larger unit after it. For example, 1 meter, which is the basic unit for length. So the unit which is before meter is decimeter. So we can say that 1 meter is 10 times 1 meter is 10 times of decimeter. That is 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. In the same way, 1 meter is equal to 10 multiplied by 10, that is 100 centimeter, and 1 meter is equal to 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1000 millimeter, and 1 meter is equal to 1 by 10 decameter, and 1 meter is equal to 1 by 100 hectometer, and 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So now we have recalled whatever we have learned in the previously in this chapter. So now let's do some of the sums from this chapter. So now children, let's come to exercise 15A and let's do some of the sum as revision. The first sum is fill in the blanks. Here, for the first part of this question is 455 centimeter is equal to how many meters? Children, as we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter, or we can say that in 1 meter there are 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to how many meter? 1 by 100 meter. And therefore children, 455 centimeter is equal to 455 multiplied by 1 upon 100 meter, which in turn is equal to 455 upon 100 meter, and this is equal to 4.55 meter. And so our answer is 455 centimeter is equal to 4.55 meter. Now children, let's come to the next question. The next question is 7.1 ml is equal to how many liter? Again children, we know that milliliter is the smaller unit and liter is the larger unit. And 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So children, 7.1 milliliter is equal to how many liter? Well, you have to change the smaller unit to larger unit, so you are going to divide. That is 7.1 milliliter is equal to 7.1 divided by 1000 liter. This is equal to 7.1 multiplied by 1 upon 1000 liter, or we can say 7.1 upon 1000 liter, which is equal to 0.0071 liters. So 7.1 milliliter is equal to 0.0071 liters. Now children, let's come to the next question. In this question children, 6.2 meter is equal to how many millimeter? Now children, meter is the larger unit and millimeter is the smaller unit. And children, we know that how meter and millimeter are related to each other. Well, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Therefore, 6.2 meter is equal to how many millimeter? Well, 6.2 meter is equal to 6.2 multiplied by 1000 millimeter, which is equal to 6200 millimeter. So, 6.2 meter is equal to 6200 millimeters. Now let's come to the next question. 90 meter is equal to how many kilometers? Now children, meter is the smaller unit and kilometer is the larger unit. And we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, or we can say that 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer, or 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. Therefore, 90 meter is equal to 90 divided by 1000 kilometer. That is 90 upon 1000 kilometer, which in turn is equal to 0.090 kilometer. Therefore, 90 meter is equal to 0.09 kilometer. Now let's come to the next question. 1234 gram is equal to how many kilogram? Now children, gram is the smaller unit and kilogram is the larger unit. And 1 kilogram or 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, or we can say that 1 gram is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilogram. Therefore, 1234 gram is equal to 1234 divided by 1000 kg, which is equal to 1234 upon 1000 kg, and this in turn is equal to 1.234 kg. So 1234 gram is equal to 1.234 kilogram. Now let's come to the next question, which is convert. So we have to convert one unit into another unit. So in the first question, what we have to do? We have to change 10.19 kg into gram. Now kg is the bigger unit and gram is the smaller unit. And children, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 10.19 kg is equal to 10.19 multiplied by 1000 gram, which is equal to 10,190 gram. Now let's come to the next part. The next part of the question is convert 47 meter into kilometer. Now children, meter is the smaller unit and kilometer is the larger unit. And 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, or we can say that 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. Therefore, 47 meter is equal to 47 divided by 1000 kilometers. That is 47 upon 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 0.047 kilometers. So 47 meter is equal to 0.047 kilometers. Now children, let's come to the next question. Here we have to convert 1.6 meter into millimeter. Now children, meter is the bigger unit and millimeter is the smaller unit. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Therefore, 1.6 meter is equal to 1.6 multiplied by 1000 millimeter. Whenever we change a larger unit into smaller unit, we always do multiplication, right? So 1.6 meter is equal to 1.6 multiplied by 1000 millimeter, which in turn is equal to 1600 millimeter, right? So 1.6 meter is equal to 1600 millimeter. Now let's come to the next question. We have to convert 2460 milliliter into liter. Milliliter is the smaller unit and liter is the larger unit, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So we can say that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 liter. Therefore, 2460 milliliter is equal to 2460 divided by 1000 liter, which is equal to 2460 upon 1000, and this is equal to 2.460 liter, that is 2.46 liter. So 2460 milliliter is equal to 2.46 liter. This way we have come to the end of our video lesson. I hope children you have very well understood all the sums that I have explained in this video lesson. And so now let's do the home assignment, and you all are supposed to do the home assignment on your own as a practice. So there are two questions. The first one is fill in the blanks and the second one is convert. And you are going to do these two questions in your maths class work copy. Thank you, my dear students. Keep watching, keep learning.